Hi everyone. After a long time, sunshine is seen. So, feeling good, feeling fresh and better. I hope this sunshine brings shine to everybody's life, removal of pandemics, removal of all the negativities and removal of and stabilization of the life. So from the nature, let's come back to our regular studies. Nature is changing. Sometimes it's too dark, sometimes it's too shiny. Okay, so we have to continue our video and our studies. Okay, so lots of questions were asked. Miss, you have not explained exercise 12a question number 7. I have uploaded this picture on class notes, so I am showing it again. So I think this is easier one, just go through it. And one more doubt was there, I think, of Shariyu. So this also I am Shariyu, this is for you, and thanks for your virtual beautiful roses. Okay. So if you have not received their in class notes, you can go through it. And thank you so much. I have received many messages saying that, Miss, your teaching is nice, you have liked my method of teaching. Thank you so much, so much, so much, so much. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's see exercise 12b. Exercise 12b, if x, y and z are in continued proportion, then which of the following is true? You know now what is continued proportion. Continued proportion, this middle term, that we say mean proportional. This is first proportional, this is mean proportional, and this is third proportional. Okay, so this is mean proportional. Okay, so we have studied that mean proportional is on left side also and right side also, that is x is to y is equal to y is to z. This we have studied. So x first term, first proportional, second mean proportional, and say it third proportional. Okay, so how they have to be arranged to be in continued proportion, you have to find out that. So x is to y is equal to x is to z. Is it correct? No, it's not true, it's false. Why? Because the mean proportionals should be similar, because they are common in LHS and RHS. The mean proportionals should be similar. Here y and x, so cancelled. Here x and z, so cancelled. Here y and y, correct, x is to y is equal to y is to z. So x is to y is equal to y is to z. So this is the true one. And if you will see here also, x and y both are non-similar proportional, so this is also wrong. So only third one is true. Okay. Now next question, which of the following numbers are in the continued proportion? So 3, 6 and 15. Remember, this is the first proportional, mean proportional and third proportional. So when you will be writing, always see that 3 is to 6 is equal to 6 is to 15. This is continued proportion. 15 is to 45 is equal to 45 is to 48. Okay. Same way third and fourth. Now how to solve it? Look here children, in this case it's not easy to arrange. It's easy to arrange, but the calculations here you people make mistake. Okay, so I have used 2 to 3 methods, so please go through the method. Question asked is, which of the following numbers are in continued proportion? Okay, so 3 numbers are given, 3, 6 and 15. Find out whether they are in continued proportion or not. Now you will say, how to find out now whether they are in continued proportion or not? So if you will arrange 3 is to 6 is equal to 6 is to 15, you have to solve it. So you remember we have solved it in exercise 12a. So when product of extreme will be equal to product of means. or 3 by 6 is equal to 6 by 15. After solving and cancelling, if you get both equal, then we say that 3, 6 and 15 numbers are in continued proportion, because these are not in proportion but continued proportion. This is the difference between 12A and 12B. Okay. So 3, 6 and 15. So 3 is to 6 is equal to 6 is to 15. So I have arranged it. So here I have explained you the method. You can use here product of extremes is equal to product of means. If both come left hand, LHS comes equal to RHS, then they are in continued proportion. If they are not coming, then they are not in proportion. Okay, but since we have studied this formula B square is equal to A square, that is, see, it is same, product of extreme is equal to product of means. Product of AC, that is extremes, is equal to product of means. B multiplied by B, B square. We have seen this in previous video. Okay, so directly we can apply formula. So B square is equal to AC. So what is B here? See, I have written it for my convenience. This is A, this is B and this is C. As I told you, sequence should not be changed. Alright. So B square is 6 square. Instead of B, write down 6. This is called square. Okay, is equal to A into C, that is 3 multiplied by 15. So I have written here. Now in one of the video I have explained about this square. So 6 square means 6 multiplied by itself 2 times. So 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 3 15s are 45. So 36 and 45. 36 is not equal to 45. Okay. So since the LHS is not equal to RHS, so the given numbers are not in proportion. So you can see here 3, 6 and 15 are not in proportion. Okay. Now you will say, oh, this method is very, I have not liked it. What to do? So for such cases, what you can do is go with a regular method, which is also same, product of extremes is equal to product of means, or second thing, 3 by product of, this will come to this only, product of extremes is equal to product of means. You will get this step directly. Okay, but then if you are bored with product of extremes also, then do like this. 3 is to 6, I can write 3 upon 6 and 6 upon 15. So I know 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 2s are 3 5s are. So 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 5. See, this case we have got this. Here I have got 1 by 2 and 2 by 5, which are not equal. So we can write 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 5. So the given numbers are not in proportion. Okay. So I have explained methods to solve it differently. So just try whatever you feel easy. You can go according to it. Alright. So according to your convenience, you have to solve. Same thing here also, second one. 15, 45 and 48. So B square is equal to AC. Okay. Remember, you have to keep your ACs off during these times, or you have to put sanitizer in AC, I think, to avoid corona. Okay. So B square is equal to AC. So B square means, I know, A, B, C. So 45 square is equal to AC. So 15 multiplied by 48. So it's easy when you write A, B and C. You get to know it easily. So 45 square, 2025. 45 square means 45 multiplied by itself 2 times. So 45 multiplied by 45. 45 square means 45 multiplied by 45. Okay. This is new concept, I know. 15 multiplied by 48. So 2025, you have to just multiply it in a regular way. 45 multiplied by 45, 2025 and 720. If you multiply these two, you will get 720. And now you can see both are not equal. Okay, now same thing I have tried with this method. You can use product of extremes also. But actually I feel this one the most easiest one. But you should know the table and the method. Okay. So 15 upon 45 is and 45 upon 48. So 15 ones are 15 threes are, and this is not getting cancelled anywhere. So 1 by 3 is not equal to 45 by 48. 1 second. 3 It is getting cancelled, children. 3 ones are 3 fives are 3 ones are 3 6 are 18. So 15 upon 16. Anyhow, 1 by 3 is not equal to 15 upon 16. So the given numbers are not in proportion. Alright, same way you have to solve question number 3. I have shown it here. You will get the positive answer. So the given numbers are in ratio. Okay, these 3 numbers apply the same method. Go 3 I am explaining, and 4th one you have to do by yourself completely. I hope. Can you hear the sound of the wind? Yes. So this question number 3 we are going to see in the next video. Thank you so much.